You may have wondered, how much should I charge for cake pops? Price will depend on the cake, frosting, decorations, packaging, and preparation. What are cake pops? They are cakes that have been styled into a form of a lollipop. Cake pops are made from crumbling baked cake and mixing it together with frosting. Then, the cake and frosting mixture is formed into a ball and stuck on a lollipop stick. The balls are then dipped in chocolate or candy melts and topped with decorations. Cake pops come in a variety of different flavor combinations. They are great for serving at birthday parties, weddings, graduation parties, and baby showers. How much should I charge for cake pops? Cake pops are a wonderful item to sell. They are a popular treat and are easily customizable. On average, most home bakers will sell their cake pops for between $1.50 to $2.50 per pop. A more elaborate cake pop, with fancy decorations and even a custom shape, will likely sell for $3 to $4. For custom orders, most people will require a minimum order of 1 dozen. They will generally charge between $18 to $30 per dozen. In order to make a profit, there are a few things you need to take into consideration. You need to factor in the cost of ingredients, labor, and supplies. Once you know how much all these costs to make a dozen cake pops, you can then figure out how much to charge based on your desired profit. Ingredients and kitchen supplies. You also have to factor in what kitchen supplies you use, and if there are any additional costs to you. You will likely need an electric mixer, oven, mixing bowls, measuring cups, and cake pans, along with other supplies. Labor. Don't forget to factor in the cost of labor. You need to bake the cake, make the frosting, form the cake balls, dip them in candy melts, and decorate. There are several steps to making them, and it can be tricky to get the shape just right. Packaging. Most of the time, the packaging is sold in bulk, so it is not too expensive. There are several different options you can choose from for selling your cake pops in. For selling individuals, you will have to wrap each one in plastic wrap or place them in a box. If you are selling a dozen at once, you can use a pastry box to sell them. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.